meaning of ledger. In accounting, a ledger refers to a book that contains different accounts where records of transactions pertaining to specific accounts is stored or were being stored. It is also known as the book of final entry or principal books of accounts. It is a book where all transactions either debited or credited were being stored. In simple terms, the ledger accounts are where the double entry records of all transactions and events are made. They are the principal books or files for recording and totaling monetary transactions by accounts. Ledger classification. There are two main classes of ledger accounts. Number one, we have the personal accounts and we have the impersonal accounts. For the personal accounts, these are accounts in which transactions with persons and other businesses and organizations are recorded. Debtors and creditors accounts are a typical example of this. Now, if the balance are due for settlement within a year, they represent current assets and current liabilities respectively. Number two type is impersonal accounts. These are accounts which record transactions of either transactions that are real or nominal in nature. The impersonal accounts are therefore usually divided into real and nominal accounts. For the real account under it, the real accounts record transactions related to property and material objects. A good example is land and building, the cash at the bank, the motor vehicles, furniture and fittings, such as the furniture and fittings in an organization. And another one is stock of goods for resale. They are known as tangible assets because we can see and touch them. They are physical items for an organization. All accounts that relate to tangible assets are therefore real accounts. For the nominal accounts, unlike the other one, these nominal accounts relate to items that exist in name only. Such items cannot be seen or be touched. This is because such items have no physical presence or physical form. A good example is expenses, losses and gains which have been incurred by a firm. However, wages and salaries, general expenses, rent and rates, interest and dividends received or paid for are examples of nominal accounts in some instances.